KASTLITE Custom Size Goof Rings. Ideal for concealing unattractive or unwanted openings.
Here's how to measure your goof ring, including the hole size, outer size, and flange. Identify your needed hole size and the outer width. The flange width is the width of the border or rim of your ring. To find it, do this math. Step 1. Identify your outer size. This is the total width or diameter of the ring. Step 2. Identify your hole size, the opening inside the ring. Step 3. Plug your measurements into the formula. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Now divide by 2 to get your flange width. In this example, it's 4 inches.
Cut with .08 thick solid white acrylic to sit flush on your ceiling. Can also be painted. Super easy to install.
Enter your measurements or contact us if you need assistance. We will laser cut each piece precisely to match your specifications. Place your order for custom KASTLITE Goof Rings today.